Hi everyone, my name is Daniel. I am the owner at Kura Home. I'm very excited to share that we are now offering licensing agreement opportunities across the entire US. What that will look like is you would come to Minnesota for a week to 2 weeks, depending on what you're being trained in on, and we will train you how to add reoccurring revenue to your current business or start a new company. At Kura Home, we service over 750 routine maintenance clients. We visit their home once every 3 months, and we offer one-time services like air duct cleaning, dry vent cleaning, and AC unit cleaning. If you're looking to add reoccurring revenue to your business, this is an awesome business model. We have figured out how to grow the business, how to maintain clients, how to keep clients on and keep them happy. But most importantly, we know what not to do. Where not to waste your money on certain things like marketing or how to not get insurance claims, how to not have frustrated customers. And we are excited to train you in on how to do all of that and give you the answer key to add reoccurring revenue to your business. The best way to get in touch with us is go to our website, kurahome.com, or email info@kurahome.com. And we are very excited to be sharing that we are now offering licensing agreements across the entire US. Hope to speak to you soon.